Hi, friends. Good morning and happy Friday. I hope you guys had a lovely evening last night and you are ready for a great last day to your school week. I'm so proud of all the work you've done. Thank you for working so hard. Now, I know Fridays we typically don't do science, that is for Thursdays. But if you remember correctly, in our science lesson yesterday, I said that I wanted you to try something if you were up for the challenge. And I gave you a challenge. So I have right here my object, which is a penny. Okay, so everybody can see a penny. So this is my object. So it's round, it's brown, it's like a copper color. It's not very heavy, but it is a little heavy, but it's kind of light. It's small, okay? So I just did all my observation, what you guys have been doing this week, and I wrote it down in my science journal. So I wrote down that it is small, that it is light, that it is round, that it is brown, like a copper color. It's smooth. I mean, it's a little bumpy, but not too bumpy. So I wrote that down as well. And I also drew a picture. But I had a challenge for you. So my challenge was, because we have not done science experiments for a little bit, so I wanted to do something fun today. Um, can you make this, do you think this penny can move without you touching it? How can you make this penny move without using your hands? Okay, well, some of you contacted me and was like, oh my goodness, Miss Rudolph, I can't do it. I don't know how to do it. Well, friends, here's what we're going to do today. I've not tried it either. So I want, put this down a little bit so you can see. I want to see if I can make it move without touching it. Okay, so one obvious way right now that I can see is I'm not touching it, but I can go like this. And because it's so light, it's easy to move. So that's one way you can do it. If you have it on a tray, like Miss Rudolph does, okay, um, you could do that by moving the tray to make it move. You're using the force of what it's on to move the actual penny. Okay, so let's use our brains. How else can we make this move? What is something outside that sometimes it happens in the weather and then you see like leaves blowing around? What is that? Wind, that's right. So this is another thing I wanted to try, and I'm not sure if it's going to work because the penny is light, but it's not super light. So I'm going to try to blow on it and see if I can get it to move, and we'll see if this is another way we can get a penny to move. One, two, three. Oh my goodness, it's very, very hard. I'm going to move it a little closer to me and see if that helps. Because the stronger the air, my hope and my prediction is that I can make this move. So let's try again. I moved it a little closer. And now I'm going to try to get it to move forward, okay? One, two, three. Oh, did you see that? Oh, oh. Wow, friends. So I was able to find two ways to make my penny move. Like I said, I had it on my tray and I could do it like this. But then I could also use my breath, the air that comes out of my mouth, making it a very strong breath out. And that force of the wind that came out of my mouth made it move. All right, friends. So what I want you to do, you don't really have to do anything, but if you have a penny at home and you would like to try it, and if you would like to let me know if it worked for you, blowing or using a tray, or if you found another way, you can take a video and post what you found here. But again, you don't have to do anything today. I just wanted to have a little fun, and if you wanted to try it, you totally can. And if you found that this worked for you, my predictions, what I thought could make it move, if those worked for you or did not work for you, I'd love to hear from you. And then also, if you found a new way to make it move, I'd love to hear from you too. All right, friends, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see everyone later. Bye.